What brought you out today?
I'm excited about every time that Texas Top Producers has an event because you guys hold the most fabulous events for all the realtors. You take really good care of us.
Just getting a feel of the customers and the company.
And see the home, so that way I know what my clients are looking for and I know where I can take them to look at a home.
I was invited to come out because I currently have a client under contract.
I came out because I love First Texas homes. They're always beautiful and they always make my clients happy.
The pretty nice homes out here